Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about a compact pressure transmitter that's perfect for OEMs and small automation systems. The WIKA 010T pressure transmitter. It's known for its compact design, high reliability, and simple integration into your control system. Let's understand its features, working, wiring, and applications step by step. The WIKA 010T is one of the most compact transmitters in the WIKA family. It comes with a stainless steel body, integrated sensing element, and standard electrical connector for quick installation. As the name suggests, it provides an analog voltage output of 0 to 10 volts DC, proportional to the applied pressure. This model is available in multiple pressure ranges, typically from 0 to 10 bar, 0 to 16 bar, up to 25 bar, depending on your application. Now let's understand how it works. Inside this transmitter, a piezoresistive pressure sensor converts applied pressure into an electrical signal. The internal amplifier then scales this signal into a smooth 0 to 10 volt DC output, which your PLC, controller, or display unit can easily read. So basically, as pressure increases, voltage increases linearly, ensuring accurate, real-time monitoring. It's simple, efficient, and ideal for low-voltage control systems. Let's quickly go through its key highlights. Compact design, easy to mount in tight spaces. Output signal, 0 to 10 volt DC, 3-wire system. High accuracy and repeatability. Rugged stainless steel diaphragm. Long-term stability and vibration resistance. Compatible with both pneumatic and hydraulic media. Its protection class is typically IP65, making it resistant to dust and moisture, perfect for indoor and light outdoor applications. Now about wiring, it's very straightforward. The transmitter usually comes with a 3-pin connector or cable. Brown wire for positive supply, plus V. Blue wire for ground, GND. Black wire for signal output, 0 to 10 volt DC. Connect the output wire to your analog input terminal on a PLC, display, or indicator. Make sure your power supply is between 12 to 30 volt DC, as specified on the label. The WIKA 010T is widely used in OEM machinery, air compressors, water treatment systems, hydraulic and pneumatic testing benches, automation panels. It's especially popular in small skids and compact control panels where space is limited but accuracy is essential. To summarize, the WIKA 010T pressure transmitter offers compact design, 0 to 10 volt DC linear output, reliable stainless steel construction, long-term signal stability. If you are an OEM or system integrator looking for a compact and cost-effective solution, this is your ideal pick. For genuine WIKA products, ready stock, and technical support, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today.